Floridel. Welcome to LeftCoast TV. Today we are featuring a new series that deals with cooking in the kitchen with stars.
I've been doing this a long time.
And for the finale, we're going to come back to the kitchen, cook with Tojo, and chat with the stars as we prepare one of Tojo's most famous dishes.
Shopping.
Let's go shopping.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, let's go see where Tojo's bringing us.
Okay. Now we're going to Chinatown. We're going to buy fresh crab and lobster, giant clam.
So you're seeing this mysterious journey we're taking you guys on.
Good. But I'm going to make today I put in the sushi.
Right.
I like it a little bit crispy.
This is the part where David's gonna pay for the ingredients.
Yeah, no, I have to pay for the stuff. Restaurant.
Put here.
Yeah, okay.
Come sa? Tojo invented the California roll to know that. Welcome to the restaurant.
Tojo's.
I buy cucumber.
Yeah.
This weather very hot there, so I make a cucumber roll. We call northern.
Okay.
We call northern light.
Northern Light.
Yeah. Spinach. Right to left. It's homemade mayo.
Yeah.
Put it here. I'll show you. Okay.
Yeah.
Very slowly.
Boom. Something like that.
Beautiful.
I actually did this one. This is yours. I'll try this
You
one.
try your first, then compare very good.
I had no idea this is what I would be doing today, and I think it couldn't be better, yeah.
And thanks to you guys for
Tojo.
watching us here on LeftCoast TV. Let us know who you'd like to see on the show next and give us your theme ideas. Bye for now.